we have a unit vector given by r cap. So this is in the direction of vector r. We need to prove the following. So we'll have to take the cross product between the unit vector r with the derivative of the unit vector r with respect to t, where t is a parameter. And this is given by 1 over r squared times the cross product between the vector r and the first derivative of vector r with respect to t. So here r represents the magnitude of our vector r. So let us begin. So we'll start from the left hand side. First, we will define the unit vector. Since our unit vector is defined as the vector r divided by its magnitude r. So that means r cap crossed with the first derivative with respect to t of the unit vector r cap. This is the same as vector r divided by r crossed with derivative with respect to t. So we have r cap. So r cap here will be replaced with vector r divided by r. Right. So we have r vector divided by r crossed with. Now we'll have to find out the derivative by using the quotient rule. So that means in the denominator we start out with r squared. In the numerator we have r. So this will be multiplied to derivative with respect to t of vector r minus we have r vector. This will be multiplied to derivative with respect to t of r. Right. So this will give us, so we can multiply this r with r squared to give us 1 over r cubed. So we will take the cross product of vector r with the two terms in the numerator. So that means we have r vector crossed with r times the first derivative with respect to t of r vector minus 1 over r cubed times r vector crossed with vector r times dr over dt. So this will be equals to 1 over r cubed. So here r cubed, so r being a constant, so we'll pull it out. So we have r vector crossed with the first derivative with respect to t of vector r minus 1 over r cubed times we have vector r crossed with vector r. This is multiplied to dr over dt. So here we can only take a cross product between two vectors. So that's why I have considered the cross product of vector r with this vector. But by definition this goes to 0. But that means they are parallel. So we are left with only the first term. So here r and 1r goes away. So that leaves us with 1 over r squared. This will be multiplied to vector r crossed with the first derivative with respect to t of vector r. So this is the right hand side. Hence proved.